Good day and welcome to the channel. In this short video, we are going to explore how to optimize your WordPress database. In particular, under Tools and Site Health, I found on one of our sites this message that the site has 5,258 auto-loaded options for a total of 3 meg in size. That's pretty substantial. So we want to clear those out. We want to reduce that as much as possible. How do you do that? Well, the first thing you do is go to plugins and disable any plugin you're not using or don't need to use. So the one I just turned off was ReadMeter. That's a little plugin that estimates the amount of time it's going to take to read an article, and I don't need it. It's off. Everything else here I pretty much need. Now I should, and I will shortly, delete all of these deactivated ones. So what else can we do to clean it up? Well, the biggest thing is to clean up any old legacy stuff. So click on Add Plugin and search for WP Optimize. By the way, this is completely unsponsored. We don't know anything about WP Optimize. They haven't given us anything, and we're just going to use the free version anyway. So if you like the video, big thumbs up would be super appreciated. Let's click Install now and activate. Then go down to WP Optimize. Now let's just take a quick look at it. So you can see this will optimize the database tables. Clean the posts. Okay, I'll skip reading this. You can read this if you want. What's interesting is what isn't selected. Remove expired transient content. An awful lot of people are going to want to select that, and I'm one of them. I'm going to click on Remove Expired Transient Options. That data is huge for optimization of clearing out the old junk. Now, what you don't want to do is select the Remove All Transient options. And the reason for that is this will dump all of the caches that are stored around various places. Well, checking that box will force the server to recache everything. That'll slow things way down. Generally not a good idea. You should only do this if you really need to. Remove pingbacks and trackbacks. If you don't know what those are, it's basically an old WordPress function that allows you to track who is linking to you and who used to link from you. If you're on a new site, you probably won't even have it because they're now disabled by default. I certainly want to clear those out because we have them turned off now. They don't mean anything. And you can see here we don't have any post metadata or user metadata, so there's nothing for us to clear out there. Clearing out the comment metadata. There's a note here that there's 10,000 Akismet items in here. Yeah, that's because I used to use Akismet or Akismet, or however you want to pronounce it, but I don't anymore. So it's just garbage. Now, before we actually click run optimization on any of this, we really need to back up the database because in very rare cases, things can go bad. So run a backup. I'm going to do that right now. So we've gone into cPanel and then backup, and I want to use the backup wizard to perform a full backup. All right, the backup's done. In my case, I did that through my hosting company and it took a good hour because I have a lot of stuff. So let's go back to our website, go to WP Optimize, and let's turn on the Remove Expired Transient options, pingbacks, trackbacks, and in my case, the orphaned Akismet or Akismet data. Go to the top and select Run All Optimizations. Now, if you hadn't already noticed, these are alphabetical. WP_W is where we're up to. But before that, it went A, B, C, D, E, F, all the way up to W. It's going to keep going. Now, this will take a few minutes to complete because we have 3,000 posts and have been running this site for 20 plus years. There's a lot of content here to sort through. Done. Yay. So you can see this dumped, 11,000 post revisions, 112 trash posts, a bunch of dead comments, some transient stuff, the old Akismet, data, pingbacks, all gone. Now let's take a look at our tools site health. And shocker, it hasn't changed. Why is that? Yeah, because this isn't run all the time. So that means we can either wait up to 24 hours because this test is run every day, every 1 day, or we can go back to WP Optimize, turn off all the optimizations, and go down to that one that we had the question about, the Remove All Transient options. Click on that and select Run Optimization, and that's what we're going to do because I want to show you the change. Let's go back to Tools Site Health, and now look, it's down to 2,100 auto load options, still about 3 meg. What are the main causes of these auto load delays in size? Well, so often it's this slider right here, this banner at the top that I can click through. Yeah, that's often what is causing the delay. So what can you do? Well, you can go to your plugins and you could turn off your slider. In my case, the Smart Slider 3 is what I'm using. But for now, I'm going to leave it the way it is. That's how you use WP Optimize to clean up the WordPress database. Now we're done with this tool for a while, so we could go into settings and set it to run periodically on a schedule, but I don't want it chewing up resources at all. So I'm going to go into plugins and select deactivate for now. And I'll just reactivate it whenever I need to use it. So hey, if you found this video useful, big thumbs up would be super appreciated. Subscribe's always appreciated as well, as we do a lot of these kinds of videos. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can always get a hold of us directly at www.urtech, that's www.urtech.ca, or you can leave a question or a comment below, and if we don't get back to you, somebody else will, because on YouTube, you just know everybody has an opinion. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.